Stop whatever device you are holding and look down at your wrist. If you are wearing any smartwatch that is not an Apple Watch Series 11, you need to hear this. Because the device that is about to launch is not just an upgrade, it is the single most important piece of personal health technology you will ever wear. In this video, we are going deep. We are going to break down every critical feature, every breakthrough sensor, and every leak about the Apple Watch Series 11, the watch that transforms from a notification device into a full-time, predictive health companion. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Series 11 isn't about new colors or fancy straps. It's about fundamental, life-changing intelligence. It's about the two features that the US audience has been demanding for years: hypertension alerts and a deep sleep score. Let's start with the revolutionary hypertension notifications. For years, the Apple Watch has monitored your heart rhythm. Now, leaks confirm the Series 11 uses a new, advanced optical sensor and algorithm to analyze how your blood vessels react to your heartbeats over 30-day periods. It doesn't give you a clinical blood pressure number, but it does something far more valuable. It alerts you to the consistent signs of chronic high blood pressure or hypertension. Think about the millions of people in the US alone who have undiagnosed high blood pressure. This is a passive, silent sentinel on your wrist that could give you the first, crucial warning sign, a warning that can genuinely save your life. This is the feature that elevates the Apple Watch from a gadget to a medical tool. But what about the battery life? Because what good is a life-saving feature if the watch dies while you're sleeping? The whispers are true. Series 11 has finally broken the 18-hour barrier. Apple has officially confirmed a tested 24-hour battery life, which critically includes 6 hours of high-quality sleep tracking. This is a result of a new, more efficient S11 chip and, for the cellular model, the new, low-power 5G RedCap modem. This means faster, more reliable cellular connection without draining the power. You can finally go a full day, track your entire night's sleep, and wake up with power to spare. This is the fundamental, quality-of-life fix that makes the watch truly indispensable. And speaking of sleep, the second major health upgrade is the sleep score. It's no longer just a bar chart of your sleep stages. The new watchOS 26, bundled with the Series 11, introduces a sophisticated algorithm that combines your heart rate, respiratory rate, wrist temperature, and movement data to generate a single, meaningful sleep score. This makes it easy to understand the quality of your rest, not just the duration. Furthermore, the watch now passively monitors for signs of sleep apnea, a condition that affects millions and often goes untreated. The Apple Watch Series 11 is finally taking restorative sleep as seriously as it takes your daytime workouts. We are 20 minutes deep. If you're still listening, it's because you realize this is the year the Apple Watch becomes a true health device. But intelligence is also coming to your fitness routine. The new Apple Intelligence, AI features are finally touching the wrist. Rumors confirm an AI workout buddy that uses your historical data and real-time biometrics to provide highly personalized coaching. Imagine your watch telling you, based on your current heart rate variability and sleep score, whether you should push for that extra mile or take a recovery day. It's not a generic voice, it's a coach who knows your body better than you do. And let's not ignore the hardware refinements.